school and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we are drawing something super fun and easy, a cute handbag. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around for a cool fun fact and a free coloring page of this drawing. I'll show you how to get it soon. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Did you know handbags were like the first ever pockets? A long time ago, people didn't have pockets in their clothes, so they carried small bags for coins, snacks, and other tiny treasures. Now that our handbag is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. If you could have any kind of handbag, what would it look like? Maybe it's shaped like your favorite animal, your favorite color, or even your favorite toy. What would you carry inside it? Wow, you did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.